Okay, everybody, just a very quick video. Basically, I'm fitting this simple human kitchen roll holder, which should stop them auto rolling, and it's just my convenience, really. Can't find really anywhere good to fit it in the 794T with this configuration. Let me just widen out. So it's, because it's a twin, the kitchen is on the hab door side, which is your passenger side. So if I fit it anywhere here, it's going to be in the way of the door. If I fit it pretty much anywhere under here, which is where I was tempted, then it's basically in the way of this being lifted up. There's a small area just here I could do it, so the end's about here and it will lift up, but then it's kind of in the way of the window. I could do it, but it's fiddly. And then I'm thinking, well, why don't I put it under the microwave area? As long as it's not in the way of me seeing this. And what I think I'm going to do in the end is put it here. So lengthways under here. I'll show you once it's finished. But of course the worry is, microwave is right here. Excuse the hair. And you can't really see what's under here. So after a bit of exploring, you've got 4 of these little guys. Let's just see if I can do this without hurting me back. Underneath, near the front of the white, there's one. So it pops in there and there's a brass screw goes in. I've already removed the screws on these. So there's 2 of these underneath. There are 2 up here. I don't know if you'll see them. So there's 2 up there again. Okay. And then actually what happens is your whole, so be careful, microwave cover, yay, comes off. Let's just pop that down. So it's not even a microwave cover, it's just a bit of trim, isn't it, really? So you can see your shelf, big shelf up there. And now actually you can see how thick this is. So that's the original, plus what looks like they've cut a sort of square of wood out just to raise it to the right height within the fascia. So it looks like I'm more than safe enough to actually screw up in here. And I think, like I say, I'm basically going to put it so it's here somewhere. And I'll show you the finished product in a minute. Just to show you, you can just about, I think you can see 2 of the screws have come up through, because they are a bit long, that come with the actual this kit. I'll actually make that 3. But they're all over 1 inch away from anything to do with a microwave. So more than safe. Refit all 4 of your screws. It just pushes into the little, well, that's not right. So be aware that one is like an offset one, which I think these go on the bottom. These ones go on the top. That's why, that would explain why that one doesn't seem to fit properly on there. Okay, I didn't realize that. So now, yeah, because there's actually 2 holes. I thought I just used one. Apologies for my big fat hands. There we go, that's much tighter. So just do that all the way around. That's the job done. I know that this might not be the job you want to do, but it's just handy to know that for this setup, if you need to remove your microwave, some people do it and put in other stuff. Other people, because they don't use the microwave. We do occasionally. We don't go on electric hookup very often, but we do occasionally use it. And as you can see, my plan originally was put it over here, but actually then I thought it's better to be here. This is not in the way of the window, not in the way of my taps, not in the way of the cooker, and it's not in the way of me visually seeing any of this stuff here. Plus, I have an extra draining board here, an aftermarket one, you know, X1 for plates. And once the plates are here, it's fairly high. So actually that would have been in the way. This is the best compromise, because then the only limitation will be the width of the roll up here, I guess. So, you know, it literally slides on. And then I'll put a link in the description to this one I got off Amazon, 20 quid. From Simple Human, so that fits me well. Pop it in. And that's it. And that should not unroll, because it's got a little spring back here. So it won't unroll. Pull it, snap. Job done. Right, I'll leave you all in peace. Enjoy your day. A very quick addendum to all of that. I've nearly forgot to say this, and it was pure luck on my part more than anything else. So when you're lining this up, just be careful you haven't actually put it directly under this screw, because when you come to tighten up this screw over here that keeps this whole front on, if this is in your way, you made problems for yourself. So just be aware of that. Make sure that you look at where the screw fittings are. Here, it's off to one side. And again, this one, if you do want to fit closer here, make sure it's off to one side. If I had done my original thought here, I'd have made problems for myself.